Hi, this is your Murli. I feel that I am getting closer to you guys. So, this is my very first day of recording everything about the. This is the first day I started. This is the first time, first day I started Facebook page also for creating a community for discussion on market levels, pre-market levels, pre-opening market levels, and for tomorrow's trades and post-market hours. And then after that the discussion on the real trades, how it is happened, how I traded, all these things based to explain, to discuss. And then going further we'll discuss on the risk management and market size, and that means our position size based on the capital and risk, and all these things we'll discuss later in different sessions. So quickly we go into tomorrow how the already we made a session on the Sensex, though now this is the Nifty. So why I'm making separate means if I make both in together it will be very long video. So I will make I'm trying to make my videos very short even. So I can be achieved. I thought I can achieve those things okay later. So this is my very first day, so this video, this and all, I never recorded before. So but I thought to go into community, so to develop a community of traders. So that's why that made me today to make all these things. So if any mistakes or anything which I'm very slow, this and that, we can adjust. So later onwards we'll condense those things, like our mistakes and other things, quality in the video, all these things we'll adjust later. But we'll quickly we'll concentrate on only the market. Okay, so when we come to the Nifty levels, so this also, the Nifty is also is on sideways, right, between these areas. It's in sideways and inside candles, this and that, right? So it is, these are all is a sideways market still going on. So when the market dips, it's buy, so based on this weeks, and when the market based on this weeks, and then from here to there. So and when the market is up, is keep falling from these levels around nearby 24,000 some area. So near to these levels, right? So 24,300, it's not holding. So whenever the market reach here, it's falling down with upper wicks. And when the market reaches around 23,800 to 23,900, the market is capturing the move to up. So that means buy on dips and sell on rise, right? So we have to carefully observe the ranges between 24,300 to 23,800. So this is 200 points, that is fine, 500 points. So it is clear, right? So when we check Sensex just now in the previous video, it is 1,500 points. Right now this is 500 points, that means 23,800 to 24,300, right? This is 200 and this is 300, 500 points. That means Sensex is 3 times of Nifty. So 500 into 3 is equal to 1,500, right? So it is very clear, right? So when we check about these things, so based on this, how we can plan for tomorrow's trade is same like Sensex. It is best not to enter this area, and the market is in this area, not to enter in the options to buy either call or put, to buy the options or to sell the options. So what my thinking is, it is better to wait for the clear trend, right? When the market so how we can go bearish means, if the market reach this level to this level, and if it breaks and retest and go down, then we will enter the bearish. Otherwise we will go with the if the wick is happened and it's not going down, then we will go with the buy here, right? And if the market goes to this level, from from this to this level and it breaks and retest and then going up, then we will enter bullish. Otherwise, if the market goes break this and if doesn't retest and not going up, then we will go with the bearish to these levels, right? So if we cannot capture this, so it better not to enter. The market may test our patience tomorrow in this areas, right? So what we do is, it's best not to trade in this area, between this area, right? This area. So whether we, as we thought of before, we'll go to this way or this way based on the retest and other things, or else we go with the buy up to these levels or something like that. So tomorrow's market will be very watchable. So it's always not best, it is best not to enter this area, right? So and wait, so maybe the market will test our patience tomorrow. So accordingly it is best to take the trades. So let's quickly watch about these options also, Nifty options, how it is placed, right? So how it is there. So when we go to options, go to option chain of Nifty, that is May 12th May, that is second week, right? Second week of May expiry. So when we go to check change, it's very, we have to check on this level how the things, right? Market is at 24,000 exactly. The market has 24,000 call and put build ups, right? So 285 calls and 291, very close. So the market is, that's why I am saying there is a range. In that range we have to be very careful. So PCR is also 0.95, that means almost not so much bullish or moderate bearish. So it is neutral, right? Because it's nearly 1, so 1.5 is considered above 1.5 anything, or 1.5 have notes is bullish, and 0.5 less than 0.5 or less than 0.6 something else is considered bearish, but it's neutral, right? So accordingly 24,050 is the maximum max pain, right? So 24,050, because see here is also this is one resistance and this is the second resistance if it markets moves up, right? So from there it can again go into that channel what we have decided, right? So into this from 24,050. So it is best, because the IV is also 17, it's a little reduced from 18 to 17 today. So the market can capture the decay, so because of the IV is also reducing, right? So coming to the OI 686 is close calls, right? Calls and puts are both equal. So tomorrow's it is best for the buyers not to enter, and the sellers also, but sellers may make some money based on disciplined trade between these areas, right? So when it goes to here and not, better to take calls for the upper side, and if market goes to here and not breaking, then better to take the puts lower than 23,800. But my suggestion for selling these options, always select delta of 0.10 below, because the IV is also more, so always select the 0.10 below, so that the decay will be there in those, and if it goes against you in the trend, so you will not make so much loss, so you can have time to exit. So can we check how this delta is placed for which tomorrow, right? And this is 5 May. So when we go to 12th May, so tomorrow this deltas may change, right? So there is no delta here. It's okay when market open tomorrow, the delta will be the delta can be visible, right? So accordingly you can take a decision. So that's how for tomorrow's levels as per my trading experience and as per my knowledge. So this is for you. I made today this video, and please follow my channel in Facebook, and also I have placed my website link there. So please, this is a new channel, so I'm thinking to build a community for daily trades, reviews, real trade reviews, and discussions on the real trade, how it is happened, all these things. So later we will go with the trade journals, like how much profit we made each day, so that we will record all those things and we will share, right? So please subscribe, and please share it with your friends and colleagues, family members, or whoever it is possible. Please share, and let's make a community. So it is very new channel that today is made, today only this channel is started. Thank you.